at the Turkish festival in Alpharetta, Georgia. Atlanta Turkish Food Festival. They have all kind of Turkish food like Turkish cuisine, shish kebab, dolma, baklava, gyro, Turkish coffee, Turkish tea, tantuni and kids activities. So let's go and have fun. It's a nice sunny day. I see beautiful jewelry, all different colors, mix and match 2 for 10. So these are also all kind of pearls. Then there are some leather bracelets here. And the evil eye kind of stuff is all made in Turkey. They have watches too. So they do all beautiful necklaces.
Ona bakma, ona bakma.
Bracelets,
Dude,
earrings.
you know it says 2 for 10? Let's buy something for 2 for 10.
2 for 10 over there.
There are nice earrings here.
Sir, I can have
So they also have all these menu here. Turkish Food Festival in Alpharetta, Georgia. You have to buy these coupons here.
Tamam, tamam abi. This is 10.
Chicken. So people are lined up for Adana kebab. They are putting salad, Adana kebab, tomatoes, onions, as well as the beef kebab Adana. They also have saute. They are cooking on a fire grill. So there are a lot of shops here for food, which you can come and enjoy. I won't. So what is this called, you said?
This is called gözleme.
Gozlame,
Yeah.
and they are stuffed with cheese and chicken
Cheese,
and beef.
yeah, ground beef,
Vegetables?
and yeah, some spinach. Yeah,
spinach.
different types of.
These ladies are making some gozlame and they are baking in the hot plate back there. So that's something that they eat for. Is it for lunch or dinner both?
Whatever. Yeah,
Oh,
you want.
So they're spreading some butter on top of that bread.
Yeah.
And they have like half a moon size, which they're selling it for $5. But for buying it, you have to buy tickets first, and then only they will
Yeah,
be
okay.
able to give, because it's all ticket system here.
Tamam,
There is no
veriyoruz ama.
cash. So this is the Istanbul food, and they just butter it on top of the bread.
Potato.
And is the flour wheat or
Regular flour.
white flour?
White.
Okay. It's a regular bread flour that they use,
Yeah.
and then they make these. And see how fast they are working together with their hands, busy. And it's like they have spinach, they have cheese, they have beef, and then they just make it very quickly. All these ladies are busy there. They are trying to make circles of the flour. So very busy cooking.
Bunu yarıma.
And that's the way they are displaying here. So this is Istanbul food. I will try some. So I see they have a beautiful Istanbul tea preparation. It's an English tea. They're preparing in the black coal. So that's a natural way of brewing coffee or tea in a Istanbul style. And they have selling here with bagel. So you can see there is a tea kettle on top, and they are using the coal to warm it. And usually they drink a black tea, so there's no milk in it. It's just like a black milk tea, but it has to be warm and sweet. And if you need, you can add sugar and lime. So you can add these two, sugar and lime, to your tea. This is the English style, and they have summit to go with the tea. And there is also all these kind of to go with the tea, some bread.
This is tahini, mahleb.
Malak, tahini, what is that?
This is salty.
What about bread?
Cheese. Cheese bread.
What is this?
Cheese bread.
Cheese bread and this
Sweet.
and that
Sweet chocolate.
brownie. So they have also standard
100.
snacks. And this is similar. So she said this is a chocolate dessert. And what is this? Coffee coconut cake. And this is some caramel cake. Brownie.
Fig and walnuts.
Fig. So this is walnut milk and coconut coffee cake. And those are grapes. What is that grapes inside?
Grape inside fries and onion, tomato paste.
Vegetable? So she has the grape leaves, and it's like they have filled it with onion, tomatoes. So this is a different kind of sweets that comes from Istanbul. They have displayed everything there. And that's a tres leche, and that's a walnut kind with coconut cake. There's a brownie here. That's a strawberry cake, and then put into small boxes like this. And that's baklava. What is this? Chocolate? You don't know?
I think it's chocolate cake.
So she thinks this is a chocolate cake. It's kind of a donut with cream on top. That looks like a brownie. So they're all sweets here from Istanbul that you can come and eat delight. That's a cheesecake, poppers, and baklavas.
Inside is ground beef with onion.
What is it called?
It's kifta.
Kifsa.
Yeah.
So they're like a oval shaped ball, and it has meat in there.
Yes, it has
And it's from
ramen.
Istanbul. And she served with lime.
Yes.
So
serve it
can I
with
try a bit?
Yes, of course.
So I will try and tell you what the taste like.
Yeah.
So they have put inside, filled up with the beef,
Yes, ground beef.
spicy ground beef.
Yes.
Oh my god. Yeah, it's good. Very tasty, and they serve it with lime here. So they're frying there, and they put it here for selling. They give in a plate 3 pieces. Go with lime.
Abi daha şey bitirseydik.
So they are warming this simit chutney. It's like a bread. What is it stuffed with? You just have to warm that on a hot plate. What is it inside? of that?
Right, yeah.
Oh, it's a sweet dish?
Yeah, it's sweet.
Okay, it's a sweet
It's
dish.
got sugar, like syrup.
Sugar and all that. Okay. So it's called simit, and you just have to warm it.
It's called katna. It's like the shape of it. It was like the
Oh,
ring.
simit shape, but it's like a taste, sweet in taste.
Yes.
It has pistachios in it.
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
So you all are selling boxes also here. What are the prices of that?
We don't know the prices of these. We just hold.
Oh, you're just buying and just selling it. Okay.
Yeah, we just.
Sun. Everybody's having fun in the sun. This place is really crowded and people are enjoying their food, water, drinks, and they are also enjoying the food here. So everybody is here with their families and friends. They are also selling all kind of bracelets and the evil eye keychain and all different colors, and their bags which are like handmade. These are all handmade napkins, table covers with laces on the corner. They also have all kind of jewelry. These are all handmade.
Yes, handmade.
Handmade jewelry like bracelet, necklaces. She also does table covers and crochet. I see all those table covers hanging there, and there's some here. They are beautiful laces. You have your card?
Yes.
Where is your card? Oh no, visiting card.